Amazon provides lower returns on affiliate links because they take a percentage of it for themselves. It's best to branch out and join some affiliate programs directly. There are moms all over the world that need this product. More and more women are becoming pregnant every day of the week, so this is a great addition for your affiliate marketing portfolio. Commissions are paid out month after month to affiliates that take advantage of this opportunity. Check this out. Aeroflow breast pumps and accessories provide mothers the ability to feed their children. Moms seek to do the best for their newborns. Breast pumps and accessories help them do just that. Get into the commissions being paid out for this product. Selling breast pumps and maternity-related accessories is easier because the target market is so well defined and easy to find. They search very specific keywords. Parents are passionate about their children, and providing them the ability to do what they need to do is an edge for sellers. Breast pump and maternity-related keywords are searched more than 710,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn commissions selling this product using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $199. Affiliates receive 10% for each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.